Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Cameron Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we look at probate of the will and the requirement of the notice of probate. Although New Jersey has streamlined procedures when there is a will, there are specific things that the executor must do, and unfortunately sometimes is ignored. And that leads to problems because the surrogate's job is not to follow up with people asking if they did something or not. So, um, typically with a probate matter, we as the attorney meet with the executor. We go over a list of generally what the assets are. We look at the will, and we prepare a surrogate information sheet that we forward to the surrogate's office. And basically, it says the name of the person who passed away, their social security number, who the beneficiaries are, the date of the will, if it's self-proving, and in Middlesex County, we make arrangements to meet with the surrogate at one of their satellite offices, which often is the town hall in Edison, library in Woodbridge, senior center in many of the other towns. Once the will is admitted to probate, there is a court rule, and that's Rule 4:80-1, and that requires that within 60 days after the date of the probate of the will, the executor shall cause to be mailed to all beneficiaries under the will a notice in writing that the will has been probated, the place and date of probate, the name and address of the executor, and a statement that the will be furnished upon request. In addition, this court rule requires that a notice be sent to anyone who would have inherited if there was not a will. The proof of mailing shall be filed with the surrogate within 10 days afterwards. If the addresses are unknown, then the court rule says there is supposed to be a notice in the newspaper, a newspaper quote of general circulation in the county where that person who possibly has an interest. So for additional information on the notice of probate and representation in a probate matter, visit website njlaws.com or the website njwillsprobatelaw.com. And for representation, contact the law office of Kenneth Cameron in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.